windshield wiper cap. Now, I've been looking for something like this for such a long time, so thank you to whoever told me about this. I'll try to find you and put you in my description, but these are 3D printed in a variety of different colors, and it is way better than that blue cap. So we're just going to open up the hood quick and put it on. So here it is. It's 3D printed. It's something simple. It's really cool. If I can zoom in on it, there's a person's Instagram. I'll put it in the link down below. But this will be an easy install. And like I said, it's always about the little things. So we're going to keep it going. Yeah, it's a little dark over here, but you get the understanding. It's very easy. Take this one off, put the new one on. I originally painted this one, but it just never really, it wasn't a really good idea. Make sure none of that extra paint gets in there. Fuck. I'll have to clean this stuff up. I got paint chips everywhere. But easy enough. I think it'll blend in well. Cleans it up nicely. Now we don't have some ugly blue cap or some flaky painted one. It's a pretty simple install. That's all I got for this video. I just wanted to keep you guys updated, keep you guys rolling with some of the cool things that I find. Hopefully we got some more stuff coming up. I did buy something. It's probably not going to help us with the car being in the garage, but it's something that I've been wanting for such a long time. And now that we finally got it, we can start doing some more installs on the Focus. And that's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next video.